warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we start chapter 8, drawing tools in Flash. Before this we work in Flash, so again we select some shapes, like I select rectangle tool and here two colors are selected. Okay, so I make a shape here, select this. You can see you can increase the width of the border by selecting this. For example, before this, if I select 2 then and I draw this, you can see the thickness of blue area is this one. And if I make this like suppose 10 or 8, then you can see if I draw here, the thickness will be changed. Okay, now I explain this also, that if I select this selection tool and click here, okay, and move this completely move. Okay, and if I double click here, now if I want to move this, you can see boundary is here and the inside areas move separately. Okay, now these are all tools here. This one thing, this is we already learned that this is group and ungroup. And now we learn about some more tools, like this is oval tool. If I want to make a shape like oval, so this one, and if you decrease the boundary width, so select this like 5 and change the color like green, and here you want suppose like this one, and now I make here, so you can see this is this shape like this one. And here you can see inside rectangle tool, if I click here, okay, you can see rectangle tool and polystar tool. So I click on polystar tool, and if I draw this, you can see this shape. Okay, now here you can see this options is appear. Before this option is not appear here. Now this option is here. What is the meaning of this? Here number of sides, so I increase the number of sides means number of corners. So if you want suppose 8, I select this one. Okay, and now I change the color here like blue, and here I want like red. Okay, so this you can see this change here. Now I draw another. You can see it has 8 corners, and if you want change this like this one, so its shape become change, its color become change like this one inside. Okay, now you can see this one. Okay, in polystar you can see another option is also here. When I click again on polystar, there are another option. Go on options. Okay, here you can see star. Okay, now star, how many corners of star? Suppose 8 again, so I click here and draw this shape. You can see star will be appear here, and if you want again change the color of the star and boundary of the star, this will be changed. So this is the another thing inside this rectangle tool. Now you can see here pencil tool. If we select pencil, and here you can see solid line, you select any other like this dotted line, you can see this already selected, so its boundary become dotted. Okay, and if I select this one, so select this selected by the selection tool, select here. Okay, and its boundary you want suppose this one, so this you can see this boundary become change. Okay, now you select brush tool. With pencil tool there is brush tool. If you select brush tool, you can see here option size of the brush, you can increase or decrease the size, and here you can see also different shapes, so you select any shape. Okay, now you can, if I click here, so because this color is selected here, I change the color. Suppose I want like this one. and like this, you can see. Okay, so any shape here, you can change the shape here like this one, and inside this you can change here. And by this, if you select this one, suppose I select this one, and if you so you can draw like this one, okay, any shape. In this way you use brush tool. Now we check some more things in brush tool. So I make some shapes here and select on brush tool. You can see this option is also appear here. When I click this option here, some further more option like paint normal, paint fills, paint behind, paint selection, and paint inside. Okay, now suppose I want paint normal, so and I decrease the size of this like this one, and change the color this. You can see second option is here. You can see paint fills. So again I use like this one. Okay, so this appear like this one. Third is like paint behind. So for this, suppose I use bucket tool and color here, suppose this one. Okay, now I use again brush tool and paint behind, and now and change the color of this like again this blue one, and like suppose I color this, so you can see all color go on back side. And here last one is like paint inside, so I use like this one, and suppose I use like this one. You can see I draw on boundary also, but when I finish this all go inside. Okay, so in this way these are some options here. Now another option is for color palette. We use today gradient. For this I make another page like, okay, new page. Okay, and draw any shape like this one, polygon. Okay, and make this star tool. Okay, a minute, in the center again I draw here this. Okay, and options I select like polygon. Okay, and change the color like red. Okay, first I draw this one, and now I change the color here like red, and okay, outside this one. Okay, now in Windows, go here. Here you can see color mixer, and there are different colors here. This is outside color and this is field color. So select any color here. You already this color, so select any other color like this one. Okay, and here you can see type solid, so I select here linear like this one, and click here, select more colors like suppose this one. Okay, and like this one. So you can see these colors are appear here. You can increase or decrease by selecting this one. You can see this increase or decrease, and like this one again color this select, and from here you can move this up and down. So in this way you can select more colors. Okay, so these are linear. For example, I select this one, and here I select like radial, and you can see how many colors you want to select here. You can change this by moving here this one, like this one, radial. Okay, you can see like yellow color. Okay, so it's shaped like this one. So in this way, this is a radial shape. Which color you want, you select that color and increase the width of that color like this one. And if you select from here like this one, so this is all in your chapter. You can increase or decrease the size and change the color. If you want to change the width of this pencil, you change from here, and colors from color palette from window and color mixer. I hope you understand this, and after this you will practice here. Okay.